I'm standing in a material called biochar. It's carbonized biomass. This stuff is wood fiber that's been heated up in a controlled oxygen environment, essentially really refined charcoal making, and the volatiles, which are like what you'd think of the flame producing material, has been taken away and turned into energy, and this is the lignin and the structure of the plant that's left behind. Lignin is it's the material that makes up kind of the structure of a biomass of a plant. It's the cell walls and the structure, the fiber of the plant. People would use it for enhancing water holding capacity. There's a lot of surface area. There's huge amounts of surface area in this material, so that's edge structure for the biome for microbes to hang out in. It's a very interesting material. So you can imagine this, when you look at plant cell walls under a microscope, it's all these hexagonal shapes in this matrix, and that's what this material is and left over. So it has huge amounts of surface areas. It has 300 meters squared per gram, which is, think of the volume of a basketball court, right? And per gram of material, and that's the surface area, right? So it's not activated carbon. This is biochar. Activated carbon will have something like 1,500 meters squared per gram. There's a thing called rhizosphere, and that's the life zone. The rhizosphere is everything we grow plants in, and it's highly important for plants to be able to harvest the nutrients. Like what makes nutrients available to plants is biology. Right? Plants don't just go out and grab it. They go out, and what they do is they grab things that biology leaves behind or gives to them. I think some people call it the soil food web. That's part of that food web. We replicate that and bring that into that rhizosphere kind of pathway of the soil food web. Biochar enhances that. It helps that in this what you might think is an sort of artificial, right, environment where you're putting things into a pot and trying to grow it. So it's increasing that biome that's existing in that potting soil. I've been using it and making it for about a decade and using it in research for that long. And I've seen again and again, as I understand it more and more, that it definitely brings value.